Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to fill up St. Lucia electronic immigration form. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, when the whole world is going toward digitalization, paper forms are vanishing everywhere. And it's good that St. Lucia has now this electronic immigration form too, where you fill up your arrival information when you come by air in advance, and you'll have a QR code that can be used to retrieve your declaration. Like you know that in Canada you can do this through ArriveCan app, right? Similarly, they have this here. And you can do this up to 3 days before you travel to St. Lucia. You can also do this after reaching over there, but it's good to do this in advance. So I click on the link and it says what are the things you need: flight information, passport details, passport or photo travel, a photo of the travel documents, that means like passport, biodata, and ID card for OCSU. Okay. Valid email address where it can be sent. So click on start. So see, the good thing is you can complete one new declaration, or you can edit your submitted declaration too. Because 3 days back, if I'm filling something, maybe on the day of my travel, I realized, oh, I had to carry this also. So should I modify? So that you can do by going here. So once you click here, it's gonna, you can see the tabs. It is in 8 tabs. So it's asking what is your residential status in St. Lucie. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Non-resident or resident returning national. I select non-resident. How are you entering St. Lucia? I select air. It will ask for the airline. Country of embarkation, from where you are coming. You need to select as per your case, not what you see here. Port of embarkation, from where you are starting your journey. I'm just selecting this. Port of de-embarkation. This is for like where you are reaching in St. Lucia. I'll just select this. Flight registration number. This is just sample, guys. Date of arrival when you reach St. Lucia. You can do 3 days in advance. So I select this. Date of departure when you'll go from there. So I'll just do sample. Now your personal details. I'm just putting sample, but you do as per your case. Whatever is applicable in your case. Date of birth, nationality, marital status, address information, email address, phone number. Check this box if you do not wish to receive information about St. Lucia or take part in marketing and promotion activities. So if it's up to you if you want to do that or not. Okay, I'll put some sample. Sample it is, guys. Don't go by this. email address, phone number. Okay. Okay, I'll go through the screen and then I'll show you. For travel document type, I select passport, document number. The sample, guys, don't go after it. Issue country, issue date, expiry date. Do it as per your case, not exactly what you see here. Upload passport, biodata, photo. Which countries have visited previous 28 days, 21 days. Select all that apply. Okay, I'll try to bypass these and then I'll show you. Tab, purpose of visit. Wow, so many options. In-transit passenger, business meeting, convention, crew, events, jazz and arts fences, carnival, honeymoon, wedding, pleasure, holiday, vacation. Okay. Accommodation type, apartment, condominium, cottage, hotel. Wow, hotel name. Wow. Wow. If I select private home, then address, phone number. If I say alternative accommodation name. Wow. They have so many things streamlined. Condominium. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let me see, just check condominium address. Wow. Just sample, guys. Check in, check out. Health information. Have you any person traveling experienced any following symptoms? I select none of this, but if you have, definitely provide that information. Been diagnosed with communicable disease, I select no. Had close contact with anyone? No. Direct care of patients with communicable, I select no. Patient having a communicable disease? No. Closed environment? No. Now family. Do you have any family members to add to your application? Yeah, if you're coming in family, you can click add family, but I don't have to because it's just sample case. So I don't. Now custom information, total pieces of luggage. They have also allowed. Okay. They have also given the allowance what you can. Total pieces of luggage. That's it too. Bringing fruits, plant cut, uh, flowers. Bringing pharmaceuticals, narcotics, other illicit. Or bringing arms, ammunition, explosive. Your commercial merchandise. You know, say of yours 10,000, if you're carrying yours 10,000 and above, you need to. You can put declaration here and next you will review and submit. So of course I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.